the problem of generalizations. In this module and in the coming modules, we will see that where are we standing right now in our field of study. We have studied many perspectives on gender and on sexuality, which were developed during 20th century. The origin of the field lies in feminism in the beginning of the 20th century, then gradually it went through different phases and dominated the 20th century. So different perspectives came about gender and sexuality. We studied them. The scholars have tried during all these phases to come up with universal assumptions and generalizations about the thinking and behavior of men and women. Okay. One most prominent generalization, what I mean by that, is generalizations like this. For example, we have said that heterosexuality is almost a universal thing. Every society allows sexual relationships among opposites. Okay. Individual, physical, or social differences have no meaning. This is another generalization. But we know all men and women are not same. Okay? We don't give importance to physical differences, social differences, which are found sometimes in individual men and individual women. But society doesn't give them importance. What should be done? This is something neglected. When researchers focused on generalizations, they neglected such kind of variation. But we know this is a fact that all men are not equally powerful and all women are not equally powerless. So there is variation. We do not have masculine category, so it means what we take as singular category, actually that is a plural category. So instead of saying masculine, we should say masculinity. Instead of saying feminine category, we should say femininity, variation in the same category. This is missing from the research so far, this variation. All men are now coming forward. It is necessary to see, so what is missing should now be filled up. It is necessary, that's why we recommend that in future research we should deal with this variation, with this diversity. Similarly, another generalization is that men and women have different speech styles because they grow in separate cultures. We have discussed it. There is crossing over between the two sexes, and during that they can adopt each other's speech styles. This is also missing from the previous research, so we should fill this gap in our future research. Even sometimes profession demands of men to be polite like females. If you remember the example of a person who was employee of an old care center, old people are taken care of in that center. So that person is male, but the profession demands that he should be very polite, and politeness is according to lack of part of female speech style. So sometimes professions also demand that you change your speech style, irrespective of your gender. So the future research should uh, divert its attention from generalizations to variation.